We're preparing our 5-gallon buckets for maple syrup season. Clean up any rough edges on your holes. Put a grommet in the hole. Now we're off to find some maples. They're a lot easier to identify when they have leaves on them.
You can still find them by looking at their branches for paired buds. If they're brown and pointed, they're sugar maples.
Sugar maple trunks can be up to 2 feet in diameter.
Red maples are usually about a foot in diameter, and their buds are red and round.
Next, tap your tree about 4 feet high. On the south side, on a slightly upward angle.
Push your spiles in and tap your tap.
Connect your tubing to the spiles and let the sap flow.
We'll see you next week for the sap boil and the maple syrup bottling.